Hello everyone. Uh, Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Darel Nabiha, and today I want to share my personal review of a phone that I have been using for a while, the Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro. Yes, this phone is not the newest model, but today, uh, honestly, it's still powerful and really fun to use. So let's talk about it. So this review will be got 5 section. The first is design. The second is the performance and the camera, and also how it uh, feels when you do the performance mode. Okay, we got to the first part is the design and build. So let's talk about the design. The Mi 10T Pro looks very premium for its price. It has a glass black with Gorilla Glass 5 and the frame feels so solid. The phone is a bit heavy, but for me, that this is makes it feel strong and durable. The back of the phone is shiny and reflective, which is it looks nice, but also a bit of fingerprint magnet. So I usually use it with a case like this. Yes, and the camera module on the back is a little bit back is little bit big, especially for the main 108 megapixel camera. Overall, the design is simple but modern, and I like it. Okay, the second part is the display. I want to talk about the display. The display is one of my favorite part because the display got 6.67 inch LCD with a 144 Hz refresh rate. Yes, it's not AMOLED, but the LCD is very bright and sharp, and that 144 Hz refresh rate make everything so smooth. Scrolling Instagram, playing games, or just moving around the menus. Watching videos on YouTube or Netflix are also great because the screen is big and clear. Sometimes I do miss the deep blacks from AMOLED, but honestly, for the price, this display is so excellent. Okay, we move to the third section is the performance. Yes, the performance for this phone is also my favorite parts of the phones because it has Snapdragon 865, which is still a very powerful chipset. Apps open fast, multitasking is so smooth, and gaming is so amazing. I play games like PUBG Mobile, Genshin Impact, and Call of Duty Mobile, and all of them is run really well on these high settings on this handphone. So the phone also has a big battery. It's around 500 mAh into 600. So it lasts the whole day even with a gaming and watching videos without charging. And talk about charging, the charging is also fast with 45 watt wire charging, but I think it's not the fastest charger compared to new phones, but it gets the job done. Okay, move to the fourth part is I want to talk about the camera of this phone. So the camera that I said it has the main camera 108 megapixel, and the second camera got 30 13 megapixel wide and 5 megapixel macro. The main camera takes very sharp and detailed photos, especially during the day. The colors are bright and the dynamic range is pretty good. At the night, it still performs well with night mode, but sometimes there is a bit of noise. Okay, the last one is the conclusion. Yeah, so I assume this Xiaomi 10T Pro is the phone that feels fast, smooth, and reliable. The 144 Hz screen and the Snapdragon 865 performance is fit really well in this price and this phone. And of course, it doesn't have AMOLED because and it doesn't have wireless charging, and the phone is a bit heavy. But for me, these are some small impact, and that if we compare to what you get. If you are looking for the phone that gives you flagship level performance with a more affordable price, I uh, I suggest you to buy Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro. It's still very strong choice in 2025. And this is the phone you can see. And there is all of my review about Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro. It helps you if you are thinking about getting this phone or if you just enjoy test reviews. Thank you for watching. That's all from me and see you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.